guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a hairstyle with the Mermade Hair Hair Tool. It's a hairstyle that everyone on Instagram has been doing, the mermaid hair. It is a crimping tool and I am going to try it out today. So first things first, I'm going to put some heat protectant in my hair. So I have got the Tresemme Heat Tamer Protective Spray. I'm going to spray this through my hair as my heat protectant. I'm then going to brush it through to make sure it is evenly dispersed. And while I'm doing this, I'm waiting for my tool to heat up. This is what the tool looks like. It is obviously pink. I love it. So to open, this is the clamp here. It has a power button and you can adjust the heat setting here as well. To part my hair in the middle, I'm going to then separate it into sections so that we can evenly crimp our hair. I'm then going to take my tool, grab a section of hair, open it, and put my hair in like so. I'm not going to leave it on for too long, and my hair, as you can see, is very short. It's taken up the whole tool as it is. So I'm just going to leave it on for about 10 or so seconds. And release it, and there we go, we have the first bit. And I'm just going to continue doing this for the rest of the bottom sections. So it also comes with a heat protectant glove, which I forgot about, so I'm just going to pop that on now. So that is the bottom layer of my hair done. So I'm just going to let my other hair down and section that off and move on. Alright, so that is me finishing crimping their hair. I'm just going to let it cool for a couple of minutes, just make sure everything's cool before I brush it out with my fingers. Alright, so it's been a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to use my fingers to piece them apart. And that is the finished hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'd appreciate if you could like it, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what else you want to see from me. Thanks guys, see you next time.